It is June 8th, Saturday. This is Grandman at McManus Meadows. I am going to take the four-wheeler down today and try a new method of adding paddock number or lane number 10, and then we'll be dividing it into paddocks. So yeah, more to come. Thanks for tuning in.
Yes, I'll come back to you. No, I won't ask where you run under the sun. Yes, I'll come back to you. No, I won't ask where you run under the sun. Yes, I'll come back to you. No, I won't ask where you run under the sun. Yes, I'll come back to you. No, I won't ask where you run under the sun. Yes, I'll come back to you. No, I won't ask where you run under the sun. Yes, I'll come back to you. Then I'll ask, what have we done under the sun?
Just doing a quick look over at the cows in lane number 9. We've still got another paddock at the very far end today. I'll open that up, but the big job to be done right now is pulling the next lane 10, the line across the field here. I'm going to try to do it a little bit easier today. I'm going to take the four-wheeler and just scoot across the meadow. Let you know how that goes. Well, we've got the line in. That was pretty slick. Just ran across the entire field with four-wheeler. So lane number 10, the hot wire's in. I put the first handful of posts in, but yeah, I think I'm going to move the cows now and then start taking out lane 8 and then finish off lane 10. So it's setting up the lanes on a Saturday. Thanks for tuning in.
Come back to you, then I'll ask, what have we done under the sun?
Four-wheeler's like a time machine that saves so much time. However, it is not as much exercise, so kind of like the exercise as well. Just walking through paddock 10 or lane 10. Someday I'll number the paddocks, but yeah, this is lane 10. Going into lane 9, they've got the last paddock in lane 9 that we're gonna just jump in and open up. So. Here we go, last move. Well, lane 10's in. Got to tighten it up a little bit. While I'm going down to do that, I'll see how the herd is doing in lane 9. Walking over a bunch of clover. And don't leave Timothy standing, even the seed heads. Paddocks they're in. The orchard grass does stay up though. There's a little Timothy over there. Got a lot of alfalfa. Just learned about alfalfa. If you've been watching, you know that. Bird's looking good. Would like to get a little bit more impact on this end of the property, on this end of this bottom meadow. But, sorry. But I think I'll just, like we did in the winter, we ran the lanes north or east-west. Need to figure out the next time down. We change that up again. So we're halfway through, just past halfway through the first pass in this bottom with the small herd here. So, and first week of June's done. So got a lot of grass ahead of us for July and August. Assuming it'll stop growing when the rains slow down. Stay tuned. We'll try to continue to share. I will be out of town for a couple weeks or a handful of days at the end of June, but yeah, we'll be back, hopefully progressing through the grass on McManus Meadows. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned. Grandman's out.
That's the end for today. Thanks for watching. We'll continue to share our journey at Grandman Ranch.